Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so the screen is on screen sharing. Now we begin with grammar subject verb agreement. Now, as we know that a verb should agree with the subject on the following basis: the number and the person. Okay, the number will be that whether it is being talking of singular or plural number, and person would be that whether it is about a single person or a group of persons in first person, second person, or third person. Clear? So, keeping these two things into account, there are certain rules given for these subject and verb agreement. Now, I have shortened the rules here, the rules which are given in your book. There are 10 in number. Now, for your writing part, you will be writing what you see on the screen. Clear? Now, I will read out the first rule. If two or more singular nouns or plurals are joined, pronouns, if one or two singular nouns or pronouns, and if they are joined by the word and, then the plural verb is to be used. Like supposing Ram and Shyam are friends. So now here, Ram is one singular noun, Shyam is another singular noun, and they are joined by the word and. So the verb which we will take will be plural, and the verb is are. Okay. So the first rule, you just write this much, what is given by me. Okay. But sometimes plural nouns or two singular nouns joined by and suggest a single person or an idea or a thought. Like supposing a great poet and essayist. Now we are talking of one single poet only. We are calling him that he is a great poet also and essayist also has died. Now since we are talking of one person only, though we have described him in as a poet and as an essayist, so we write here has, because he is one person. So the verb which took was has, not have. Okay. Like supposing bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. So I've taken bread as well as butter as a single idea, as a single thing, single entity. And that is why I have said bread and butter is my favorite, not are my favorite. Okay? Because the idea is taken as one. Then 10 kilometers is a good distance. Now, though we are talking of 10 kilometers, but we have taken it as one single distance. Okay? That is why we are not saying are 10 kilometers are a good distance. We say 10 kilometers is a good distance. Okay? Now, coming on to the second rule, a singular noun joined to another singular or plural noun by the words such as with, along with, as well as. These three words, they take up a singular verb. That means if it is joined by a singular noun, if it is joined by these words with another singular or plural noun, so the verb they take it will be singular. Let's see. She, along with her friends. Now we know that she is one person. Along with her friends, there are many. So one singular noun is joined by plural nouns. But the word with is being used, so we use the singular verb is. So let us see. She, along with her friends, is joining us shortly. Clear? Then the bus, with all its passengers, seems to be wearing off the road. Now, the bus is one noun. Then, with all its passengers, though it's a plural word, that's all passengers. But since it is joined with, we will take up a singular verb, that is seems. Clear? The third rule, a singular noun joined to another singular noun by or nor takes up a singular verb, and the verb agrees with the noun closer to it. So now here what we do is, if there is one singular noun which is joined with another singular noun with the word maybe or nor, then the verb which we take up will be a singular verb. Clear? And we will see the one which is closer to it, we work according to it. Like, see, they or their sister has contacted, sorry, they or their sisters has contacted the manager. So now they, we know that there are many people. That means it's a plural noun. Or is the word which is joining another singular noun, sister. So the word closer to sister, the verb we'll use has. Okay, a singular verb. Neither Siddharth nor I am going to help you. The I is closer, so we'll use the verb am. Now, if one of the nouns joined by or nor is plural, the verb used should be plural and plural noun should be kept closer to the verb. So now they are saying कि अगर एक noun दूसरी noun से और या nor से join किया गया है जो कि plural है, so the verb which is closer, we will make sure that it is kept closer. Plural noun is to be kept closer to the plural verb. Okay, let's see. Either you or your assistant. Now, either you is a singular noun, pronoun, sorry, and your assistants. Now, these are plural. So we keep plural closer to the verb have, and we will write the sentence. Either you or your assistants have to be blamed for this failure. Neither Meera nor her parents were called to attend the meeting. So neither Meera is a singular noun, parents is a plural noun, and we since parents is to be kept closer, so we'll take up the plural verb were. Okay. If Meera would have been closer, then we would have used was. Clear? If Meera had been closer, but we use plurals to the closer, and so we find that plural verbs are to be taken up. Then we talk of number 4. Each, everyone, either, neither, many are followed by singular verb. So that means either, neither, each, all these words, they are taken as one entity and they are followed by a singular verb. I take up an example like either boy has got experience. Neither of us was able to control the situation. So neither of us, though it is telling that there are more than one people, but then also we take them as singular verbs. I hope till 4 it is clear. Coming on to explanation 5, rule number 5. If the two singular nouns joined by and have the word every or each before them, then the verb used here should be singular. अगर किसी भी noun के आगे दो singular nouns लगी भी हुई हैं and से join किया हुआ है, तो भी अगर उनके आगे every और each लिखा है, then we use the singular verb to describe. Like, see, every man and every woman present there was happy. Every man, we know that there are more than one man, but still we say every man. as one entity. Every woman, हर एक woman present there was happy. Was is taken, not were happy. Okay, every man and every woman present there were happy. No, we will take up a singular noun, singular verb, was happy. Okay, now number six, a few nouns, though singular in meaning, look plural. Such nouns take a singular verb. Now, example, physics. Now, though it has PH, PHYSICS, S written there, showing that it is plural, but it is still taken as singular. Physics is an interesting subject. Physics is taken as a singular noun, okay? Though it is appearing to be plural. So we use it as a singular noun and we put a singular verb with it. Now, example, the next is the news. Now, the news is telling as if it is appearing as the plural word. No, but it is taken as a singular and we put up a singular verb with it. So we'll say the news has shocked us. Then number seven, the nouns, the noun means can be used either as a singular or as a plural. The word means, it could be used in a singular way also and in a plural way also. Clear? Like there are two examples given. Is there any means to come out of the problem? So now कोई तरीका है जिससे हम प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आए. So here we have used is. Now the means to sort out the problem are limited. Here again, means is taken as a plural, so we have used are. So means is the only word which uses singular as well as plural with it. Clear? Number eight. Nouns which seem to be singular but are plural in meaning take a plural verb. Example, the police have been called in. Police here is taken as a group of people. पुलिस को बुलाया है. So now police is not one single policeman they are talking of. Though it is appearing singular, but it is taking up a plural meaning. So that is why a plural verb have has been put up. Like supposing 5 dozen cost 20 rupees. So here, though it is appearing plural, though it is appearing singular, dozen, but the 5 is added. So it is giving a plural meaning, but we take up a plural verb with it. The public are crazy about this actor. Number 9, none can take either a singular or a plural verb. When we talk of a verb none, it can either be used as a singular or a plural verb, both. None of them has an appetite for music. None of them have an appetite for music. Both are correct. Clear? And last, a collective noun takes a plural verb when the emphasis is on its individual members. But when a collective noun is taken as a body collectively, it takes a singular verb. So now, when the collective noun talks about every individual of that particular collection, then they take a plural verb. But if they are talking as a whole, then it takes a singular. Like supposing the class is disciplined. Here, the class is a group of children taken together as one. पूरी class अच्छी है. So, is laga. The class have shown their answers to the teacher. That means the class, every child in the class which is making it a class. They have shown their answers. So when we talk of individuals on the collective form, then we use the plural verb. I hope this much is clear to each one. Now
Yes, ma'am.
coming on to the
Yes, ma'am.
exercise. Just let me know when the class is about to be over, okay? Because you might be having the fourth period. Okay, just a second.
Okay.
Just a second, children. That's it. So we now take up the exercises. Can you all see the screen? It's
Yes,
9. Okay, we will do the exercises. Do one thing. I'll send you the screenshots of these exercises. You tick mark the questions that you'll do in the copy. Okay, that will be better. You can see these screenshots. I'll be sending you the screen images. Okay, A exercise, do the fourth one, 10th, 12th, and 15th. Okay, then B exercise, do the third one, fourth one, 9th, 12th. Okay, these are the ones which you'll do, 4 from each. I'll be sending you the screenshot and then you can copy all and you can do in your copies, you'll do these, the ones which I have told you. Clear?
yes, ma'am.